Hey, hi guys, this is Salim. Once again, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about one of the libraries of Python, that is Matplot Library, guys. Just want to say thank you for the love and support what you showed on my channel, and hope this support will be goes all the way long. And if you need any information regarding machine learning or regarding the Pandas library, please do watch my videos, guys. The link for those videos is in the description. You can find it there. Let's get started today's session. Matplot library is one of the libraries of Python, guys, as I already told. So it is used for mainly data visualization. Here the keyword data visualization represents we apply ML model or algorithm for a problem, right, guys? So what we actually wanted, the final thing is output. So that output, it should be represented in some graphical way or graphical format. So in order to accomplish that task, Matplot library is going to help us, guys. So whatever the amount of data, this matplot library is going to visualize us in graphical way, guys. So there are basically five types. I mean, not only five types, there are many, but usually we use these five types, guys, to represent the output of any problem using matplot library. That is lines, bar, histogram, pie charts, and scatter, guys. These are the five basically we use to represent a graph. And guys, yeah, here you can see uh, I showed some example regarding matplot library. So this is the way how we are going to import this matplot library, guys. Here I already mentioned the code. uh, just I don't want to waste your time, guys, but guys, please do practice, guys. As I already mentioned, watching video won't give any 100% output for you. So you need to practice it, guys. If you need, you can pause the video and practice it, guys. Yeah. um, So here I have taken an example of x and y, two list of elements. So these x and y I am going to plot and represent a graph, guys. So here you can see a graph for both x and y. So the points whatever I have taken here in the graph, those are plotted. And guys, this x label, y label represents, like, I'm naming the x and y axis, guys. So here I have given x axis and y axis for the graph. Suppose if we were going to display any business scenario, we can give like sales, a profit, loss, guys. It all depends on the problem scenario for what you are going to display the graph. And here plot is a method that is you going to use to display a graph, guys. So here x and y I pass as parameter, and here I'm giving my own parameters, guys, like in what way the graph should be represent for me. Here I'm giving the color as red, and marker equal to d. D represents here diamond, guys. So here the points you can see here, those are in the style of diamond, and line style, so the joining of these diamond points. So here I have given the horizontal dotted lines. And alpha, it actually represents the hardness of graph, guys. Hardness in the sense visibility. I'll just show you. Suppose if I give 0, and yeah, you can see that the graph is invisible. So now gradually if I increase point wise, then the graph is going to be visible, guys. Here you can see. Yeah, it all depends upon the hardness of representation, guys. Like what type of hardness you need to visualize the graph. That's it, all depends upon you. And similarly, the next example, here I have taken three list of elements, guys: a, loss, profit. So I have given the points. Now I am going to plot these three on a graph. Yeah, you can see plot of, I have given the parameter a, and label equal to a. So here, guys, yes, I told here I'm going to plot three list of elements, right? So I need to differentiate between them, like what does it this a graph represents, loss and profit. So here if you can see, there are three lines of graph, right? So if you take a, the blue represents a, and green represents profit, loss which is in red. So I can distinguish between these three graphs, guys. So that can be possible using this legend method. So this legend method can help us to distinguish between each and every graph. It is very easy, right guys, because we don't get any confusion like what this graph represent, what this graph represent. So we can easily give the label and we can distinguish between each and every graph. So similarly I have given for A, loss and profit. So the same way like what I told, like I'm going to set the graph on my own way. So I'm giving the color for the profit graph as green and labeling as profit. Similarly for loss as red and labeling as loss. So legend, so this is the method as already told, which is helpful for labeling, and also it can be used to locate that labels in I mean the location where we want actually. If we don't mention any location, it automatically takes the best location in the entire graph. So here I have given the best. Even though if I don't give best, it will take the location what it finds best in the entire graph, guys. So you can see here. So even though if I don't give best, it is occupying here because it will check entire graph wherever there is a good space to display these labels, there it going to be show the result, guys. Or we can also give the location like upper right. Yeah, but it isn't looks good, right? So that is why I'm going to give the best to occupy the best space and display the label. Yeah, similarly here the font size. If you want to display this font size in a medium way, you can give medium, a large, or small. Yeah, this grid method. So displaying the graph in a grid way. Yeah, this is the graph for this example, how it looks. And yeah, so one type of graph is finished, guys. That is lines, and this is bar chart. So here I have considered again three list of elements, and X will be represented as A, B, C, D, and Y and P have given some numerical data. Now, as already told, I'm going to labeling this X and Y axis and I'm going to plot a bar graph, right? So I'm pass the parameters of X, Y, and this width is the width of bar. If I don't give this width, by default it will take the width automatically. Here I'll show. Yeah, and also the label using this legend method. So in order to distinguish between two graphs. Now if you see, um, yeah, P is not defined. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, guys, see the width. So it will take automatically. So if I mention here the width, then according to the mentioned width, it will display it, guys. Yeah, so you can observe the difference giving the width and not giving the width. Yeah, right. Now similarly, the bar h. Bar h is it's also a method. So if you want to display the graph in a horizontal way, we use this bar h. Like I'll show you. Now I'm going to give the method bar h. Now let's see. Bar h got multiple. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And guys, one thing, guys, for each and every method, there are some parameters that you need to mention. So you can go to through the official website of Matplot Library, guys. There you can find all the information regarding these methods. I'll show you. So this is the official website, guys. Here you can find different types of methods and also like each and every method what we have to do. I mean the number of parameters we need to pass, where do we use for what type of problems, everything, guys. Here you can find it. You can check here because everything I can't tell you in this video, guys. I can just show you the way, so you need to play the game. That's it. That's the main aim. And yeah, so the bars is finished, guys. Now histogram. So histogram I have taken here A as a list of elements. Now I have taken here total 9, list of elements. Now I'm plotting this a list of elements using the histogram. So this is the method hist, and I've given parameter a bins. So bins is nothing but, so whatever the points you are want to plot on a graph is using the type of histogram. So you're going to segregate those points into uh, some I mean to some numerical value, guys. So here I have given 3, which means what the set of points that are given in a list of elements to be divided into 3 parts. So here you can see in a 3 parts the histogram graph is displaying here. See, guys, so even though the points I have given 9, but it is divided into 3, and also it is plotting to the particular interval, guys. You can observe here 20, 40, 60. Already I have given 20, 30, 40, 50. So with that interval, so it is plotting the graph and displaying us, guys. Similarly, the color parameter I have given as green. And this is another example, like I have given only one list of element here. Here I have given the 2 list of elements to display the graph of histogram. Now this is the way how you need to mention if you are going to pass more than one list of elements. So a comma b. So bins equal to 3, as I already told now. And the color. So since I want to differentiate between 2 graphs, 2 histogram graphs. So a I have given green and b given as red. So you can, yeah, you can observe here the graph how it looks. And when it comes to finally the pie charts, guys, so the pie charts, it is also used to display the output result, guys, mainly household related problems. This one is I mean quite frequent to be used. Yeah, you can go on through. So I have given label sizes and explode. This explode is nothing but what percent like we want to divide the pie chart as a slice, guys. Yeah, this is the method of pie in which we are going to display the data in a pie chart format. So these are the parameters I passed. Yeah, and finally the pie chart, this is what it is going to be show for the values what we have given. And the next thing is scatter. So for scatter it only displays points, guys. Let me show you. Yeah, yeah, you can see here scatter will actually it will plots only points, guys. This is mainly used for in medical related problems, guys, like disease predictions. In those area we can use this scatter, guys. So here I can pass parameters like I wanted to be appear the points in pink color, and marker like I mean the point style. So I want it as a diamond, so I can give it. Yeah, you can see here. And I can also give a label like X label, which is x-axis, and similarly Y label. Yeah, yeah, guys, you can see here x-axis and y-axis. Yeah, so these are the types of Matplot library, guys, but there are many. So as I already show you the official website, so here you can go and visit, and you can find different types of methods, and the way how to use all those methods for different problem scenarios you can find here, guys. And one thing, guys, play with the code, guys. Just I mean no one will tell you everything, guys, from A to Z. So just I can show the way, but you have to go through all the way along in that way, guys. Play with the code, and as I am telling, play with the code. This is the best example. Uh, so if you want to impress your girlfriend, you can do like this. You can display a heart. Yeah, I just display a message like I love someone, and this someone is still question mark for me. And guys, be aware of girlfriends. Don't go much in that. Yeah, I mean, even through code, we can impress anyone, guys. That's what actually I want to mention you. And one thing, guys, if you want to know your path where the file is present, or the folder where on what you are doing the problem, you can use this way, like import os.get cwd method. So this will show you the entire path where your file is saved. For me here in the C folder, the C local disk users folder. Yeah, this is my folder name, file name. And yeah, guys, this is what about overall Matplot library. Hope you like this video, guys. So there is more, guys. I mean, anyhow, I'm going to explain you all with the real-time problem scenario. So I just wanted to you guys know what actually the library is, like each and every library. I'm just going through all. After that, anyhow, I'm going to take the real-time problem and I'm going to apply a model where we are going to cover each and every aspect there. Yeah, hope you like this video, guys. So please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you.